Hi, Ewan. Come in. Oh, it's raining.
Thanks, Helen.
Are you wet?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Dalam percakapan tadi, kita mendengar ada beberapa hal yang terjadi.
I was listening to some records.
Helen was listening to some records.
Yes, I was listening to some records.
Kemudian, suatu kejadian singkat yang menyela kejadian yang pertama.
The phone rang. The phone rang.
Kalau kedua kalimat itu digabungkan, kita mengatakan,
I was listening to some records when the phone rang. I was listening to some records when the phone rang.
She was listening to some records when the phone rang.
Berikut ini sebuah contoh lagi.
I was listening to some records. Ewan knocked at the door.
Kalau kedua kalimat itu digabungkan memakai when, kita mengatakan,
I was listening to some records when Ewan knocked at the door.
Helen was listening to some records when I knocked at the door.
Helen sedang mendengarkan piringan hitam ketika Iwan mengetuk pintu. Berikut ini contoh lain.
It was raining. Ewan knocked at the door.
Ikutilah lagi contoh-contoh tadi, dan coba saudara gabungkan kedua kalimat itu dengan memakai kata when.
It was raining. Ewan knocked at the door.
Apakah tadi saudara mengatakan,
It was raining when Ewan knocked at the door.
coba ucapkan lagi sesudah Helen.
It was raining when Ewan knocked at the door.
Coba saudara ulangi sebuah contoh lagi. Pertama-tama, bagian demi bagian.
I was listening to some records. When the phone rang.
Sekarang, coba ucapkan kalimat itu seluruhnya.
I was listening to some records when the phone rang.
Sekarang, coba dengarkan beberapa pertanyaan. Chris akan bertanya apa yang sedang dilakukan Helen ketika telepon berdering.
What was Helen doing when the phone rang?
Dia sedang mendengarkan piringan hitam, bukan? Coba dengarkan pertanyaannya lagi.
What was Helen doing when the phone rang?
Sekarang, coba ulangi bagian demi bagian sesudah Chris.
What was Helen doing when the phone rang?
Sekarang, coba ucapkan pertanyaan selengkapnya sesudah Chris.
What was Helen doing when the phone rang? What was Helen doing when Ewan knocked at the door?
I was listening to some records when Ewan knocked at the door.
Saudara pendengar, sekarang mari kita ubah sedikit pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi. Dan bertanyalah tentang apa yang sedang dilakukan seseorang pada waktu-waktu tertentu. Coba dengarkan.
What were you doing at 3 o'clock on Saturday, Chris?
What were you doing at 10 o'clock yesterday, Ewan?
What were you doing at 5 o'clock last Friday, Helen?
Mari kita berlatih dengan salah satu pertanyaan tadi, bagian demi bagian. Coba saudara ulangi bagian pertama sesudah Helen.
What were you doing at 3 o'clock on Saturday, Chris?
Sekarang pertanyaan itu selengkapnya.
What were you doing at 3 o'clock on Saturday, Chris?
Coba saudara ajukan pertanyaan tadi kepada Iwan. Kemudian, ulangilah sesudah Chris.
What were you doing at 3 o'clock on Saturday, Iwan?
Dan kepada Helen,
What were you doing at 3 o'clock on Saturday, Helen?
I was watching a game of tennis. Chris was watching the game too. And you were studying, Iwan.
sekarang giliran saudara untuk berlatih. Saudara akan mendengar suatu kalimat, misalnya,
Chris arrived.
dan saudara hendaknya bertanya,
What were you doing when Chris arrived?
kemudian ulangilah pertanyaan yang betul sesudah saudara mendengarnya. Siap, saudara-saudara?
The phone rang.
What were you doing when the phone rang?
The game started.
What were you doing when the game started?
Chris saw you.
What were you doing when Chris saw you?
Baiklah. Kata-kata dalam bagian kedua dari kalimat-kalimat tadi menggambarkan kejadian singkat, bukan? Misalnya, arrive, rang, started. Berikut ini beberapa latihan lagi. Tetapi kali ini, kedua hal yang terjadi dalam tiap-tiap pertanyaan dilakukan oleh orang-orang yang sama. Misalnya, kita mendengar ungkapan dalam bahasa Inggris yang artinya dia jatuh.
He fell.
Dan saudara hendaknya bertanya,
What was he doing when he fell?
yang berarti apa yang sedang dilakukannya ketika dia jatuh. Coba beberapa contoh lagi.
She broke the cup.
What was she doing when she broke the cup?
They met Don.